गुड मॉर्निंग फाइटर्स। तो आज है 25 जुलाई और आज मैं हेलन केलर के कोट से स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगा। सो द कोट इज़ ऑप्टिमम इज़ द फेथ दैट लीड्स टू अचीवमेंट, नथिंग कैन बी डन विदाउट होप एंड कॉन्फिडेंस। सो इसका मतलब है कि कभी भी अपने होप और कॉन्फिडेंस को नहीं खोना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर है दोनों। तो अपना होप एंड कॉन्फिडेंस बनाए रखें, एक न एक दिन आपको सक्सेस जरूर मिलेगा। नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन 1। Which institute received best award for horticulture science? So Indian Institute of Spice Research grabbed the best horticulture award. Question number 2, men's double title at ATP Swiss Open 2024 won by. So this is won by Yuki Bhambri plus Albano Olivetti. Albano Olivetti is from France. Now question number 3, which state government recently launched the Rajiv Gandhi Civil Abhya Hastam scheme? So Rajiv Gandhi Civil Abhya Hastam scheme is launched by Telangana state, in which all students who cleared their prelims examination in UPSC will be awarded with 1 lakh rupees for their mains preparation. Now, who became the new CMD of Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited? So new CMD of BECIEL is Commodore DK Murli. Now question number 5, Crystal Michel became PM of which country? So Crystal Michel became PM of Estonia country. Question number 6, Play Sport brand ambassador. So the Play Sport brand ambassador is Sania Mirza, Mary Kom and Ranvijay Singha. Question number 7, what is the rank of Singapore in Henley Passport Index? So Singapore topped Henley Passport Index, and let me know what is the rank of India in Henley Passport Index. Now question number 8, anti-paper leak rule passed by which state? So anti-paper leak rule passed by Bihar state. Question number 9, who won gold medal in women's 200-meter event at ongoing summer athlete championship that is held on Warsaw, Poland? So Indian athlete Kiran Pahal won gold medal and he completed 200-meter race in 23.33 seconds. So who won? So Kiran Pahal, and in how many seconds? 23.33, and where? So Warsaw, Poland. And which medal? So gold medal. Now question number 10, Hungarian GP first time won by which player? So Hungarian GP first time won by Oscar Piastri, who is Hungarian, who won Hungarian F1 title. Now question number 11, which tax abolished by government in recent budget? So angel tax is abolished by government, and this tax was ruled in 2012. Now question number 12, which fleet launched by India? So INS Triput, which is made by Goa Shipyard. Goa Shipyard is found in Goa, and this is founded in 1957. Now question number 13, Namo Drone Didi scheme related to which sector? So Namo Drone Didi scheme is related to agriculture sector, in which all female will be get idea about drone, and they will known as drone pilot. Question number 14, which state capital will be connected with railway? So the Mizoram capital Aizawl will be connected with railway. Now question number 15, Mudra loan extended from 10 lakh to how many money? So this is question for you, so search it out and please answer how many lakh rupees extended in Mudra loan scheme. Now मैंने आपको लास्ट सेशन में बोला था कि मैं मैप आपको बताऊंगा, मैं मैप दूंगा। सो मैंने 2 मैप दिया है। तो जो पहला मैप है वो है आपको जो भी स्टेट मैंगो प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट है, और दूसरा जो है वो है आपका इंडिया के अंदर जो भी मेजर सी पोर्ट है। तो मैंने ये 2 आपके लिए कर दिया है, आप ये दोनों देख लेंगे। और अगले में मैं दूंगा ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी के बारे में, क्योंकि भील ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी अभी न्यूज़ में था। तो मैं जितने सारे ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी हर स्टेट में रहते हैं मैं उनका मार्क करके दूंगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ गुड डे, रिवाइज इट, रीड इट एंड डू इट केयरफुल्ली। हैव अ गुड डे, थैंक यू सो मच।